Himalayan sea salt has become popular among consumers looking to get healthy. You've probably seen those pink crystals and wondered, is it really better than regular salt? Many people believe it has special healing properties, but how much of that is actually true?
Salt is sodium chloride, and Himalayan salt or pink salt, rock salt or sea salt, all of these salts are also sodium chloride.
In simple words, no matter the type, salt is still salt. The difference is mostly in appearance, texture, and how it's used. Himalayan pink salt does contain trace minerals that give it that unique pink color. But these minerals are present in very small amounts. They don't significantly change how salt affects your body. The American Heart Association recommends healthy adults consume no more than 2,300 milligrams of sodium chloride per day. That's about 1 teaspoon of regular table salt. 1 teaspoon of rock salt, sea salt, or Himalayan salt approximately has around 2,000 milligrams. So in terms of sodium content, they're actually very similar. That means switching to pink salt doesn't mean you can use more of it. Overusing any type of salt can still affect your health. Balance and moderation are what really matter. Where Himalayan salt stands out is in its natural form and how it's used in lifestyle products. From cooking blocks to salt walls and wellness spaces, it brings a unique aesthetic and calming experience to modern environments. So while Himalayan salt may not be a magic alternative, it still offers value in how it enhances your space, your cooking, and your overall experience. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to the Pink Salt Wall YouTube channel for more informative content and explore premium Himalayan salt products at pinksaltwall.com.